little Are you kidding me? You sprayed my face with that. You know how dirty that water probably is? It's probably been there for years.
That's a nice light and clean.
What? Yeah, my coochie's on empty. Fill me up with your oh. These apples on your car.
I don't know.
How do you stop this? How do you stop this?